So hi friends, hope you are well. In this video I going to show you how you can create IP rotation script inside the Exim SMTP server, then send email and do IP rotation. Before proceed, you need to install Vista cPanel inside the CentOS 7 machine. Then after installing Vista cPanel, you will see a user interface like this. After login to your Vista cPanel, you will see a user interface like this. Vista cPanel have built-in Exim SMTP server, so you don't need to install Exim SMTP server manually. But for IP rotation, you need to write some script. For the IP rotation, you need to write some script like this script exim.pl. So let me show how to do IP rotation inside the Exim SMTP server. Before installation, I already told that you need to install Vista cPanel separately, and also you need to buy an additional IP with the VPS server. And Vista cPanel have built-in feature Exim SMTP server feature with round cube mailbox. You need to add all DNS properly, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, MX record. Then after doing all the step, you will go to final step for the IP rotation. What is IP rotation? Many people can ask that. What is IP rotation? IP rotation is like this. If you send two email, then your first email will be delivered from the first IP, then second email will be delivered from the second IP. This called IP rotation. So why you need IP rotation? IP rotation definitely improve the email deliverability. So that's why people do IP rotation during sending email. So you need to log into your server. So I install Bitbuys SS client, then click new SFTP window, then go to this directory etc/exim, click enter, then create a file exim.pl. Here I already created a file like and named this file exim.pl, then click open. So this is the script, IP rotation script, and I use it a array inside the loop. For loop I use it a array. Inside the array I added two IP with hostname. For IP rotation, here this is my IP 104.129.171.160, and this is the second IP. Let's check our IP is blacklisted or not. IP need to be clean. If you use blacklisted IP, then your email will not never hit in inbox, and you need to ensure the configuration of your SMTP server properly. So let's check our IP, whether our IP blacklisted or not. So go to MX toolbox, then copy the IP and paste, then click blacklisted, check. So our IP is clean. So totally dedicated IP, I use it dedicated IP and it is not blacklisted. Before proceed, before installation you must check the IP whether IP blacklisted or not, else your email will hit in spam folder. So after creating a exim.pl file, you need to add the exim.pl file with exim.configuration file. Click exim.configuration file of the server etc/exim, then hook the exim.pl file with the exim.configuration file. So for binding this exim.pl file with exim.configuration file. Write a script like this. Just add this script perls underscore startup is equal to do underscore etc slash exim.pl. Then scroll down and look for this line driver is equal to smtp. Look for this line transport configuration. Answer under transport configuration you will see a script like driver is equal to smtp. Then add this two line interface is equal to dollar sign perl second bracket random host generate ip. So click save. After save this file, don't forget to restart the Xmsmtp server. So for restart the Xmsmtp server like service Exim restrt, first time you need to stop the Xmsmtp server because you modify the Xmsmtp script. That's why you need to stop the server service for service. Click write this script service exim dot service slash service space exim stop. So our server is stopped right now. Then again run this script service exim start. So let's log into our roundcube web mailbox. Inside roundcube web mailbox we can send email. For sending email, log into our roundcube web mailbox. So here this is our roundcube web mailbox and let's send a test email. Click compose. Just copy this email address of the mail tester website, then paste and from email. So this is our from email address, then paste. Write a subject line like test email, test email for Exim SMTP IP rotation check. Click send. Message sent successfully. Then check your score. So wow, perfect. You can send. So we got 10 out of 10. Let's check our IP. This time our mail were delivered from the second IP. And let's send another test email inside the mail tester. So this time this mail were delivered from this second IP. Then just click refresh and copy another email address and paste it inside the bcc2 field. And from email address will be just copy our from email address, then write a subject line like second test email, second test email for the IP rotation script. Check it, check. Then click send. Then check your score. So let's check our IP. So this time our mail were delivered from the first IP. So this is the IP. So you get the live proof of IP rotation inside the Exim SMTP server from Roundcube web mailbox. So this is the live proof of our IP rotation from Roundcube email mailbox. Let's check the inbox of our SMTP server. Just copy, click compose, then go to Gmas inbox tester. Gmas inbox. So just copy all the email address for testing the SMTP server. Then paste the all mail address inside the round cube mailbox BCC field. Then from email address, copy our from email address and paste. Then write a subject line like test email campaign for IP rotation and inbox test. Then click send. So let's check the Gmas and look. So our all email landed in inbox. So this is the expertise area of my mine, where many people can't deliver email in inbox, but I can send email in inbox after the installation, because I am always exceptional. I give always exceptional service, and I configure always exceptional installation of the SMTP server. So that's my strategy. So see, all email landed in inbox. It's unavailable 0 second ago, and even one email did not hit in its spam folder. So if you are looking to set up a good SMTP server and want to send unlimited email, then you can contact with me. I can give you a guarantee that my email will hit in inbox after this setup. See, my email landed in inbox, test email, all test email landed in inbox. So click send. So check the test email. So this is the BCC field I sent, and check the round cube email. So thank you for watching my video. In the next video, I will record a video how to add bounce server inside the Power MTA, so that people can add, so that you can add bounce server inside the Power MTA. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Best of luck.